How to make money with the Metaverse as a beginner in 2022. Easy 15-minute guide. Now, the Metaverse isn't exactly new, but it's been hyped up recently and many people are eager to invest in it. However, we're still in the early stage, so now is the time to start investing in it. Welcome back to Metaverse. So for today's video, we will teach you how to make money with the Metaverse as a beginner in 2022. Now buckle up and let's get started. Okay, so you may have recently heard that Facebook, one of the world's largest internet corporations, is changing its name from Facebook to Meta. You might be asking why they're doing this, especially you're unfamiliar with Meta and how it works. They changed their name since they are entering the Metaverse space, which means they will build their own Metaverse. If you don't know what a Metaverse is, it's a simply digital environment where you can do a lot of things. We'll go over that one more as we get through this guide, but it's one of the most important things you can do. You can have online digital concerts such as ones performed by Travis Scott, Post Malone, and Marshmello. You can, for example, build games that people will pay to play. And Justin Bieber has a concert coming up, so it's essentially a digital world where you can go to get away from the actual world and do a lot of cool things within this digital world, which is known as the Metaverse. Now let's move on to the tutorial. Number 1. Invest into Metaverse game. You can invest in these games like Sandbox and Decentraland because they actually have their own coins that you can invest in. The Sandbox has one called this. This is a sandbox here and I wouldn't recommend investing in this right now. I would recommend you just to wait until it kind of buttons out. It's been a very hectic last few days or last few 7 days. The Sandbox is one that you could potentially invest in. The next one is called Decentraland or Mana, and this has taken a tumble as well as so to do not invest in this just yet. This has a massive spike and then it's dropped down now. This is actually healthy for these coins to drop. They've had a massive run up. They're just coming down a little bit, settling down, and then they might go down a bit more flat now, or they might go up. We really don't know. This Metaverse stuff is completely new as well, so just be careful. Only invest in things you can really afford to lose that money. Number 2, invest into Metaverse Index. It's like an index fund in the stock market, if you want to use that as an example. But what they do is they invest in all of these underlying tokens and stuff to do with the Metaverse. And so you have much less risk because you're investing in a fund and they invest and they've picked the best ones to invest in. So this one is called Metaverse Index. This is the price here now. Obviously, it's gone down again, just like the rest of the tokens, but that's understandable. It's going to follow those as they go down and up, but this is called the Metaverse Index. So if you're looking for like an index fund, a Metaverse version of an index fund, this is the one you're going to want to go for and invest where your money is spread all over this Metaverse tokens. So that's a real quick one. That is another way that you can invest in the Metaverse and make money in the Metaverse. Number 3, invest into companies who will shape the future of the Metaverse. Now here's a list of 3 companies here from the Multifool that will think that are good companies to invest in the future for the Metaverse. Now take this with a grain of salt. This is just their opinion, but they are recommend Nvidia, which is they make graphic cards and GPUs, for short for computers. Now they've stock, so essentially this is a company and you invest in and it's a stock. So if you know what to do or how to do that, and if you don't know, you can research it how to do that. But this video, so you can invest in Nvidia now. Another one is the Meta platforms. This is Facebook Metaverse if you would like to invest in that. So probably the best one to do is going to be Facebook, since they're trying to be one of the biggest players in the game when it comes to the Metaverse. So that's another one that you could potentially invest into. Then Unity software is one of that they also recommend as well as, but my recommendation would be to look into things like Facebook and Nvidia, because these are the companies that are going to benefit the most from the Metaverse in the future. Number 4, buying land. Alright, so this isn't really for beginners, okay? You do need to have quite a bit big of money to do this. But if you're a beginner and you have a bunch of money, maybe you'd like to lock into doing this. You can buy plots of land in these Metaverses games, and there are also some other things you can do as well. So Sandbox has traded a total of $70 million for 4,433 assets over the past week alone. That's crazy. So making it the Metaverse collection that in the most cash, so that there is a lot of money getting exchanged here. Now the assets can be plots of land and the other assets that we'll talk about in a second, but Sandbox $70 million traded in the last week. So this is the Sandbox game. What you can do in this game is that you can buy plots of land. So these can be used for all types of things. Atari is using this for advertising and lots of other things. But if we click on Snoop Dogg, here it loads up the plot of land. So Snoop Dogg's plot of land that you can visit the websites that's linked to this land, which is Snoop Dogg enters the Metaverse. He's doing like some concert soon and you can buy tickets. You can go mess around with that, and if you want on the Sandbox. But if you go to find land on the OpenSea, it takes me to the website called OpenSea, and I can see that land that's sold for sale now. Let's go sort by the lowest price. It's pretty crazy how much these stuffs go for. So like lowest ones is the 3 Ethereum right now. It's actually gone down a little bit. So the lowest one is 3.025 Ethereum. And you can buy this plot of land and you can use it for advertising, and you can buy like concert venues and stuff. You can buy the land and create games, like someone created a mini golf course, but you can buy these plots of land and you can do whatever you want with these plots of land. It's really cool, but this is one of the main ways people are investing in these metaverses, because we're in such an early stage, because it could be a bust, but if it takes off and this becomes a massive industry, when that it's going to be like a real world land. It's going to have value and it can go up in price and all of that sort of stuff, and you can use it for lots of things. A lot of people are using these lamp plots for advertising. So some of them advertise their websites, their Twitters, all of that sort of stuff. The YouTube, we've got finance down in here, probably know what Binance is. They have 1, 2, 3 lots of land pastels and of land down here. So they've called parcels of land. And yeah, that's what you can essentially do with these games. Number 5, creating digital assets. Alright guys, you don't need a lot of money to do this, and this is called creating digital assets inside the Metaverse. So when you're on the Sandbox website, you go to the marketplace and there's these things you can buy now. These are called NFTs that are for sale, and there's a lot of NFTs that are for sale. These entities, equipments, wearables. So if we go to the entities, and there's all this stuff right here. There's equipment that people can purchase now, and you can actually create these, and you don't have to create them yourself. And there's a lot of money to be made here. So you can also create other things. You can create games inside the Metaverse. You can create Vox models. You can create a lot of things. Now, if you know how to create this stuff, that's fine. You can create these and then you go and upload of them on the marketplaces. So these are like the Vox models here. You can go to the marketplace and you can upload them once you create them. If you don't know how to create them, you can go to a website called Fiverr.com. Put in Sandbox Metaverse and there's people that will create this stuff for you, and you can go and sell it on the Metaverse. There are a lot of things that you can get created for yourself. People will also create things for you in the Metaverse that you can sell on the marketplace. In the Sandbox, and remember, the Sandbox is just one place. There's the Centralands, there's other ones that are but Sandbox and the Centralands are the main ones. But if you can go and get this stuff created and you could sell this stuff on the Metaverse, and people are actually buying this stuff, so you can get this stuff created on Fiverr. So you can make money in the Metaverse. Alright, guys, that's some of the ways you can make money in the metaverse in 2022. So, what are your thoughts about this topic? Do you think this video is useful? Please let me know by leaving a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next video.